Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you're well. It's Rachel here, and I just want to show you these kits as I've been packing up the house. I had quite a few large journal covers, and I'll never be able to use them all in the month of Sundays. So I thought I would make some. I don't remember know if you remember the art journal that I made last year. I'll link it in the description box below. But this is exactly the type, this kit here is to make an art journal just like that. So this is what they're going to look like. I don't know if I'll be able to fit them into a glassine bag, but I'll try my best. I have one that's not tied up, so I can show you what it looks like inside. And by the time this video goes up, they will be in my Etsy shop. And they're very limited because that was how many large covers I had. So each one has a lovely piece of vintage upholstery sort of fabric. It's actually really nice. You could do wonderful embroidery on there as well if you wanted to. I mean, this one has a nice spine, but you might want to increase that spine. You could save that for something else. You could put this over the spine, or you could even, do something decorative around it. I don't know if you also know Wendy Brightbill. She paints on these covers as well. So that's an interesting idea too. And so inside you get a couple, I can't remember how many I put in. I think I put 5 of the ugly postcards for you to decorate up. Some envelopes, and the envelopes, I won't show you what's inside, but they have some lovely little bits to play with. I put it in one envelope. All of them have an antique book page. I can't remember if because I prepared it last week and then forgot about it. So I can't remember if they all had these pages in them or not. I'm looking at Steffi because he helped me, but he can't remember either. So they've got all kinds of papers for you to hinge, because that's what we had to do in these big books, is hinge them. Some bigger, ledger sort of paper. Lots of beautiful, larger pieces of rag paper from the early 1800s, or I think this one was 1700s. Beautiful 1850 document, and there's a seal there. I don't know if you can see. Some of them are written on both pages, some aren't, but they're really beautiful. And then these larger pieces of paper that are great to do your art journaling on. 2 pieces of, it's just like a piece of Italian, I think it's by Fabriano, art or sketching or art paper. And then these vintage papers here are really great. I like painting on those. So just very random to have fun with. Some old ones that have been eaten. These are divine. Everyone got a double one of these. I can't remember the date, 1700s, and very large and very hard to tear. So I gave you 2 instead of tearing it. Beautiful old 1800s music paper, some vintage music paper. They all got an old sort of document there. This is an old piece of rag paper. Now this is this map, let me try and remember. It was a book of maps. It was really large. You can see how big it is. But the book didn't have the maps. It's rag paper and it's got colour on it. And I want to say it was 1812 or something like that. So you all got one of those. And then some singular pieces of straw paper. Maybe you want to use those to hinge the pages, and some double pages in to stitch in, and a large ledger paper. I don't know if there's a date. I think it might be 1931, but I can't be sure. And then, of course, the beautiful book cover. Now, the book covers are in different states of disrepair. Some of them, their spines need a bit of repairing. They're coming apart. But, yeah, I thought they'd be a lot of fun. So, as I said, I have a very limited amount. So, you've got to be quick. And they will be in my shop. I'll just show you some of the other. Please don't ask for a specific cover because I won't be doing that. It'll be random. So there's these, and then that one. There's 2 of those. These ones are falling apart, but you can easily glue them back together. I think I have 2 like this, and then this one, and there's 3 more downstairs that Steph photographed. They'll be photographed in the listing. So I hope you like those and having a great weekend. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.